7 AI tools to start a side hustle in 2026, with the honest version of what each one actually does. No get rich overnight, just the stack. Number 6 is the one that actually gets you paid. 1. Claude. It plans the offer and writes the words. Your listing, your emails, your first landing page. The catch? Heavy days hit a usage cap for a few hours. 2. Perplexity. Check if the idea has real demand before you build, with sources, not guesses. The catch? The deep research mode is limited per day on free. 3. Canva. A logo, a look, and a shop banner in an afternoon. The catch? The nicest assets are behind Pro. 4. CapCut. Turn one idea into a week of short videos to get seen. The catch? A few effects are Pro only. 5. ElevenLabs. A consistent voice for your content without ever being on camera. The catch? The free tier runs out of credits fast. 6. Gumroad. This is where money changes hands. Sell a template, a guide, a small service today. The catch? They take a fee per sale, so price for it. 7. Notion. One place for the plan, the clients, and the money, so it doesn't live in your head. The catch? It's easy to overbuild instead of starting. AI is a lever, not a lottery. It won't hand you a business. It makes the one you start move faster. The full toolkit is linked below. Subscribe for one honest tool a day.